Hey, welcome back to part 3 of the unboxing review of the Gundam Universe Rx-78-2 Gundam. Like I said, the little butt plug will usually go on whatever Bandai kit like this way, but the Tamashii Nation one goes this way, which is a bit odd, and if you leave it in there, you can't really put the legs back together that much. The legs do stay out, and you do kind of see the butt plug, so I don't like that. I will remove that, so the legs can actually go together a little bit more. The side skirts do move. The front skirts actually do move, but the big old butt skirt, no, it doesn't move. It's one side piece. Just like if you're looking for the thrusters or the burn veers, no, they don't move at all. So how does it hold it? What they're saying, pop out the standard hands for the newer hands, which I rather it just had the new hands to begin with instead of the closed fists. He looks way better with actual articulated hands now. Oh, can his little piece open up here for the pilot? Nope, because that's a fake thing. So, slip his gun in there. Can he actually represent this pose here? Where, the gun handle's twisted to the side and he's lifting down the gun. Nope. I mean, yeah, nope. Just not. I mean, this whole hand is pretty much useless. So no, you unfortunately cannot get the pose that's on the box here, with him holding the gun, because a real one, the gun hand would be able to move to the side, so you kind of hold it better. But this one, no. It unfortunately does not do that. Can you get the beam saber in the other hand? Yeah, you could hold it. But now this hand is like really loose. I mean, look how loose that is. I mean, this one's tight. This one's like, woo, let me on, loosey goosey. Of course, ours, Gunpla Moderics and, you know, Transformers, we all know the little trick. Get a little bit of forward pudge, rub it into the ball joints, and make that nice and tight. Because right there, it's like way, way too loose, as you can see. Too much play in there. The shield, you can pop it into its hand, like that. And then just maneuver it into the little socket on the arm there. And there's his shield and gun, like this. You can store the other beam sabers on top of this, which doesn't really want to hold in there that good. I mean, these seem like something that you would want to work them in there, and they're not supposed to go completely straight. They are supposed to go kind of like a V, like at angle, right there. So don't put it in completely like straight. Kind of put it like this way. Okay. And can the whole shield go onto? Yeah, you're just gonna be able to pop that little hand off, cause until you get some forward pudge. So they say do rotate the shield upwards like this, that little handle, and do take that little tab there and into that slot there. So it's a bit of a tricky pain to fit it out. But you can do it like that, so that's how it would look with the shield and the beam saber in there. Although, yeah, now would the weather hand go back in there? Oh yeah, weather hand nice and tight. It's this hand that they kind of made all loosey-goosey. I guess they wanted a little bit looser so it could hold on to the shield a little bit better and move it around, but I would have it be a lot tighter than looser. And the shield does come off the bat, so. What kind of action poses can you get? Maybe that. Maybe something like that. You know, kind of like the final pose where you remember where I'm away, shot upward to the Neo Zegon Gundam, and it shot down, and they both shot each other and kind of destroyed each other. So I guess you could kind of create a pose like that. Although if you really want to create that pose, you would have to remove its head. And I'm not going to do that. Oh no, I'll say yeah, there are some flaws with this kit. Like, it not coming with enough hands. The other hand being a little too tight. Not too tight, a little too loose, I should say. The whole shield thing is a little bit finicky to snap on. I hate that they gave you one of these, but it only works with the Tamashii action. What do they call it? Tamashii stage at 5 type of stand. That it does not work with our standard old Bandai action bases. That the little sight only goes one way on the gun. That the actual gun handle that you grip onto does not actually move to actually grip it to recreate this pose right here. Right the F here on the box. As you can see him clearly holding it. Yeah, I don't even think you could pull off this pose right here. Where it's kind of like almost sitting in an invisible chair shooting. I don't even know if you could pull off this pose here. So not really poseable. It's more like, as you can see right here on this side of the box. Leave it as is. But I mean, for 25 bucks, yeah, it's not bad. I never had a Rx-78-2 Gundam before. Really wish I would have gotten it in a model kit, but yeah, okay, I guess. Especially, at Walgreens for the $16 price range. Instead of, the standard 24, which it should be. Yeah. But yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.